Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first you should start out watching Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him you have me, Creations by Christy. After me you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. And then after us is usually the Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Cat, but they've been sick this week so I don't think they're going to be on. If you missed Sweet Wombat, please go back and watch. He's amazing, just like everybody on this express. So I am going to do a flip cup, maybe swipe. It's a little windy, so I'm having to hold on to my cup. All these colors are custom. I needed to get rid of some colors, so we're just gonna throw some colors in a cup and see what we can come up with. Meanwhile, I'm gonna play some music.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God. When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone. I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy. I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still. You're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again.
All right, I think I'm gonna leave that alone. And I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up and probably do another one. All right, guys, here's this one. I think it turned out pretty cool. I don't know why I said I was gonna do a flip cup because I ended up doing a straight pour, but I'm a little crazy these days, so I apologize. So I did a straight pour. But I like it. I think it turned out really super cool. Give me just a minute, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and do one more since I've got the paint in there. Be right back. Okay, I am back. I still have quite a few colors in here, but I'm just gonna add a few more just for fun.
Just to put me out again. Still I need ya. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? You'll be the death of me still. You're my medicine. Yeah, I need it. I need it. You light a fire just to put me out again. Yeah, I need it. Weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Weak for you. I'm weak for you. It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah. It's a new day for good times. I just turn the page, let it write what it likes. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now. Every atom in my body feels okay. Yeah. It's a new day for good times. Flying like I'm weightless, yeah, I'm losing all my senses, and it's making it impossible to die. Everything's in motion, yeah, I'm lost in the commotion, and I've never ever felt so freaking
All right, guys, I think I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you who have done that already. Up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon is maybe the Hippy Dippy Painterman, and maybe my lovely sis Cat. If not, go back and watch Sweet Wombat if you missed him. Everybody here is the best. I love you guys to pieces. Thank you for all your love and support. It means the world to me. All right, guys. I will just see you guys on the next one. Love you. Bye.